Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. Now, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the AI assistant in the editor. Now, in terms of the AI assistant, okay, so if you scroll to the left all the way at the bottom, it will be the assistant here, okay? So here we have the AI assistant, which you can actually move around. With the AI assistant, just gives you another great function of being hands-free and letting AI help you and assist you. So it can actually help you in general terms of, create a section containing a short article with ideas for outdoor activities. You can use that throughout your site, or you can ask questions. So you can actually generate articles and text and content for you that you could insert. Or specifically, if you have text here, you can see I can highlight it. I can go to edit, select text, and I can align the headline, change the color. Maybe I want to make it bold or do some editing. Or in terms of images, you can actually then input images, and you can request it, insert an image here, or maybe update it, etc, etc. Now, the good thing about the AI assistant, you can narrate, you can use your audio, but it has something called command examples. So there's some really good examples that you can look and help review. So it'll give you ideas of things that you can add, but it's not limited to. So that's one key thing. So the AI assistant is there if you want to have a little bit of a hands-off approach. You can either narrate, use your microphone, type, or you can simply use the command examples and then recreate or generate other ideas based off some of those examples. So it's just another interesting tool that you can definitely use, and let AI do the work for you. So that's just a quick video of how you can utilize the AI assistant.